Hey guys, welcome to the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share your password and passkey securely with iOS 17 with sharing password option that's built in without actually sending someone the password. So how do you do this? It's going to be really simple and easy. First thing is your iPhone has to be updated to iOS 17 and there also has to be on iOS 17. Once you have that, go into your setting of your iPhone and go to your saved passwords. That's usually the section. If you saved a password, it'll be listed here, or you can add a new password here, or even create a shared group. So you can do that, right? So let's say you want to be able to share a password with family, friends, or other close contact. Well, right here, as you can see here, share password and passkeys will allow you to do that by getting started. And as you can see here, once you do start sharing password, you can add it trusted contacts and create a group to share password and passkey across their devices. And then you can choose what to share, right? Each group will decides which passwords they share and can delete them at any time. And then first you're in control, which means whoever creates a group can add or remove others. So you'll hit continue here. And then we begin off with going ahead and adding the name of the group. Let's say maybe family, right? Something simple, family password. Maybe you share passwords for some apps between your family that you subscribe. And then after that, you can just simply click on add people, and then you can add their phone number or email or their contact that's listed here, right? So whatever comes up here, and you can just click on add here. I don't have anyone here, but after you do that, right, you'll click on create. And now we have created a new group here. Update devices across to share password. Now this is what I mean is that if you have devices that are not on iOS 17, you'll need to update them so the password can be shareable. The ones that are available will show up here, and you'll hit continue here. And then now you can choose which passwords from the list of passwords that you have that you like to share. Maybe you like to share Roblox, Netflix, or some other streaming platform, right? That makes sense for you. You'll click on that and hit on move. And now we have, as you can see here, password sharing. It'll list which ones to share. If we go back to the main passwords things, as you can see here, password share for my family will be listed here, and you can see which one. You can manage it at any time. You can delete the group, so all the passwords will be gone. You can also go ahead and click on each one. You can delete a password, update a password, and then change the group if you need to as well. And that's how you manage the passwords as well, all from just one convenient place. And this allows the password sharing to happen securely on iOS 17. Again, something to try out. If you're new to iOS 17, it's a really good, cool built-in feature. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.